Hey, where'd you guys get those muffins?
They were in the workbench.
Under the bench?
Yeah.
Yeah, Hops Fat Pills.
Yeah.
So Mike put those there because he wants to surprise us later, guys. And you guys found them and are eating them now?
Yeah, you got that right.
Oh, man. So I'm going to be with Mike next. I'm going to have to pretend that he doesn't know that we got into his muffins.
Should we put them away?
He gets very protective about those. No. Finish them. Oh. All right, let's get started with the video.
I'll put it away.
All right, hey guys, this is a special edition video sponsored to you by our friends at Ohio Power Tool.
Do a hop impression.
Let me finish my muffin. Okay. Every year we publish, hop impression. Every year we publish a holiday gift guide. This year, we're doing the 12 days of Toolmas.
Toolmas! Starting December 1st, we will publish one video every day for 12 days, highlighting a different tool each day.
These are tools that we feel would make a great gift for that guy or gal that you're having trouble buying for.
Maybe they're a DIYer or a DUIer, or maybe they're in the trades.
Scott says DUI. he couldn't get it right the other day. Either way, guys, you'll find all of these videos and the tools in our Toolbox Buzz 2019 Holiday Gift Guide at the website.
If you like a tool, you can find a purchase link in the video description below or on the website gift guide.
Awesome.
Thanks, Hop.
All right, yeah, thanks, Mike. Shh, no, don't let him know we got his muffins.
We got his muffins.
All right, so look, what are we looking at today, Stan? What do we have?
Well, we've got a Milwaukee cordless router. Rob, great tool.
No using power tools while drinking alcohol.
There's no bid in it, we're good.
There's no bid in it, all right. It is a great tool. So Milwaukee just came out with this year. It's $179.99, so I don't know why they do that. Why don't they just call it $180? It's a $180 tool.
Because in your head,
I don't believe it.
It's 170 bucks.
I don't like it. Also,
unless you can do math.
We've got a 6 amp hour battery on this. I think it would be better with a smaller battery. You know, better balance and stuff like that.
Yep.
1.25 horsepower. It's a trim router, right? So trim carpenters are going to use this. It's rated for up to 31,000 RPMs. What do you like about it?
The micro adjust dial and macro adjust button. Pretty handy little features right there. Little button right here releases that. Nice. Providing you with fast and accurate depth adjustments for highly accurate work.
What do you use a trim router for, Ethan?
Windowsills and pretty much any router profiles, breaking edges, a whole wide variety of things.
Edges too, yeah?
Sometimes, yeah.
I just got one of those little wood, you know, the wooden planes. It's got the curve on it.
Oh, yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? Yep. For easing edges. That thing's awesome.
It's nice, but you can get some chip out with those sometimes. Router, usually you don't. Not with a small round over like that.
You can.
Yep.
How about you, Stan?
Well, I use it a lot for cutting boards to ease the edges. And
cutting boards like cutlery.
Cutlery. Big cutting boards.
Stan has a side hustle for you guys that don't know. He makes a bunch of cutting boards with his CNC router.
Yep, thank you.
Little cash on the side.
Absolutely. Never hurt anybody. The other thing about the Milwaukee trim router that I really like is the ability in the accessory pack to have not only a fence but a larger base, which is really helpful. Because these bases can be small, especially if it's not balanced particularly well.
That base, can I see the base? So that base too, that's going to set you up, so you got the thing for the bushing. That's going to set you up for templating. So sign making, hinge jigs, it's much wider. You're not going to tip into the jig. So that's going to work great for that. That's a nice feature.
Yeah, the other thing we have is we have a helicopter pilot in our midst, and the dual LEDs on this are probably brighter than the lights on his helicopter. It's really very good.
I feel right at home.
Thank you.
Jeff's off camera.
Thank you, Rudolph.
What I liked about it, I like that it's compact, right? So it's super lightweight. It's like 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds, something like that. I don't know the exact weight. It's it came in third, I believe, in our head-to-head testing.
Yep.
So it performed really well. We didn't, we really didn't know where it was going to come in because it came out. We were one of the first tool review companies or websites to get it.
Yep.
And so we didn't have any experience with it. We just threw it right into our testing. It crushed our ergonomics categories. It was a really strong finisher in the other test as well. And in fact, do you guys remember any of the stats on like the runtime testing?
Well, it routed an equivalent of 103 3-foot windowsills. So
that's
Which
both sides.
is about the length of
That's
a football
both sides,
field.
yeah. So
Right.
that's
That's
like
about a football field.
Yeah, it's
right?
about a football.
About
So that's 6
308
feet.
linear feet.
So
Right.
one windowsill is approximately 6 feet because you
Yeah.
got to flip it over and do both sides.
Correct.
Yep.
103 windowsills.
A big house.
That's a big house. Yeah.
It is.
I think an average good size house is maybe 30 windows, 40 windows on a big house.
Yeah.
So we're talking 103 windows. I mean, you're not changing the battery on this bad boy. It's going. It's just going and going and going.
The
I
other
like
thing is this a tremendously well-made tool. I mean, the fit and finish on this is absolutely first class.
So all right, I want you to qualify that. Tremendously well made. What are you basing that off of?
Well, look at the machining, the castings, the overmold.
Yeah.
The overall quality of the machine is very good, and certainly was the highest ranked one that we saw.
The plastic clamshell joints really tight and doesn't have any.
I do think the micro adjust was the best, and I like the clamp
good.
action.
Yep.
Yeah, I mean, I thought they did. Yeah, it's smooth, right?
Yeah. Did a really
They
nice
did a
job.
nice job. The machining, the
Yeah.
screws, the seams.
Yep.
The rubber overmold is nice. It's definitely nice. So I guess here's the question that we always ask each other on these gift guide things is, what did I say? $179?
Yep.
$179.99.
Bare tool.
Bare tool. Is it worth $180 as a bare tool? As a
What?
gift?
I think it is, Rob, because you just gave me this one, right?
Wait a minute. Did I just do that?
Yeah, I
think so.
mean, for a trim carpenter or a remodeler who's already, especially if they're already on the Milwaukee platform,
Yeah.
bare tool,
Yeah.
I would say that's a win.
Yep.
It's a great tool, and
So you
cordless
gift
is
it.
where it's
You
at.
gift it.
Yep.
Yep.
Totally.
All right. I mean, I would absolutely appreciate if you guys gifted me that, if you wanted to do that. And I do. I agree. I think remodelers, finished carpenters, I don't know. I could see you using 103 windowsills. I could see that being a shop tool. That's not, I usually I plug in my shop tools because I don't want to deal with batteries. You're not going to change the battery on a router like that. That's going to go and go and go for shop work.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, how
Tremendous
long do
runtime.
you ever use a shop router in terms of runtime length? Not very.
Not
very
that
long.
much. Yeah, you're rounding
Right.
edges. Maybe you're plowing things out.
Right.
Unless I'm making moldings and I'm using a table router, a
Right.
table insert, something like
Yep.
that. So,
Yep.
well, all right. I think that does it. It's the Milwaukee Compact Router. It's $179.99. It's brushless. It's their fuel. It's just new this year. I think it'd make a great gift.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays.
Holidays. All right, guys. We'll see you later. Take care.
Yep.